Welcome, my friend. This is our first restorative yoga practice that has been released on our channel. This practice is for all levels, very slow-paced, very gentle. This is a very therapeutic practice that encourages physical, mental, and emotional relaxation. Do me one favor and make sure you have yourself set up near a wall. Take a moment to create a loving, nurturing environment, lighting candles, burning some incense, putting on comfy clothes. Have a yoga bolster, maybe your bed pillow or 2 couch cushions like I have here, and a comfy, cozy blanket. Please pause the video now if needed to get yourself set up, and then I'll join you seated on the mat. As you may have guessed, given the encouragement to be next to a wall, we'll be moving into legs up the wall pose for our first restorative pose. To begin, situate yourself, your hips as close to the wall as possible, and then go ahead and recline. Then shimmy your hips close to the wall, keeping a slight separation of your hips from the wall though. Then walk your feet up the wall until your body is in somewhat of an L shape. You can bend your knees as much as you'd like, and if it creates comfort, you could even place a pillow between your knees and the wall. We have many options in this pose, so take a moment to check in with your body and see if making any adjustments would help to create more relaxation, more comfort, and support for your body. You may wish for a gentle lift in your hips. If so, slide a folded blanket under your hips. Maybe placing a pillow under your head and your neck, covering your eyes with a blanket or even an eye pillow to help draw your attention more inward. You can let your arms rest on your belly or at your side, palms face up or down. Just take a moment now to listen and honor what your body needs. Once you have yourself set up and your body is supported and comfortable, your mind is relaxed, let's begin to draw your attention to your breath. Just noticing its natural rhythm to start. And then begin to elongate your breath. Taking a deep, slow inhalation through your nose and a deep, slow exhalation out your nose. As you hold this pose, I encourage you to practice active relaxation. So meaning to focus on relaxing your body completely, relaxing your mind completely. But do continue to take these deep breaths and maintaining body awareness. If you enjoy mantras, you may wish to introduce the following mantra as it calls to you. I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. The next time you'll hear my loving voice, we will gently awaken and transition to our next pose. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. All right, my friend, keeping those eyes closed, and with loving kindness, we'll slowly bring one sole foot to the wall, and then the other, and then you can begin to walk your feet down. We'll gently push yourself away from the wall, shimming back far enough to lower your soles of feet to the mat. Then we'll heel to your feet as wide as the mat, and allow your knees to fall into center to kiss. This is the next pose of our practice. Taking a moment again to listen to your body to help settle yourself into this pose. Letting your body fall as best to support you. Now feel where your body kisses the earth. Feel grounded in this connection. Feel yourself fully supported by the earth beneath you. Surrender and fully give your weight over to the earth, gravity taking hold. We'll be here for about half the amount of time we spent in legs up the wall. Surrender to the stillness of your body, to the stillness of your mind, to the stillness of your spirit. Surrender to the stillness of this moment. Beautiful, my friend. Begin to slowly heel to your feet into hip distance And then shimmy yourself back once more until you can fully extend your legs out long, coming into Savasana. This is when your bolster or your pillows will come in handy. Go ahead and place them underneath the backside of your knees, so your knees will be slightly bent and supported. If you have a blanket, feel free to cover yourself up. And if you have a cuddly four-legged friend, have them cozy up with you too. This time, place one palm to your heart center and one palm to your belly. Close your eyes. Connect with and appreciate these two amazing centers of your body. Now be free in the stillness here with your body and with your breath. This is where I will part, my friends. I invite you to stay here as long as you would like, as long as time permits. I will hold space for you here for about 1 more minute. Now, if this restorative style of yoga left you feeling calm in body, mind, and spirit, and you would enjoy seeing more practices like this, be sure to comment below whenever you get a chance and let me know. Sending so much love, sending so much light to you, my friend. Namaste.